Hi, I'm Valeria Westra with Love Your Skin Academy, helping you feel comfortable and fantastic in your skin. Today we will talk about how to correctly apply your skincare products. You may have heard about this method when you need to apply in little circular movements. However, it is not exactly the correct way, because when you apply the circular movements, you actually pull the skin and stretch it, and that may result and will result in more wrinkles over time. That's not what we want. We want to pat and not to pull. Patting also will not interfere with your lymphatic system, because when you gently press, you will not disturb your lymph flow, but if you do, you may end up with puffy face and you won't even know why. This could be the reason. So how to correctly pat? For under the eyes, use your ring fingers. The skin here is the thinnest, so you need the slightest pressure. That's why the ring finger is the best. So under the eyes, from the outer corners to the inner corners, and then over the eyes the opposite direction, and then here from the chin upwards, from the mouth upwards, nose upwards, and then from the middle of the forehead to the sides, and then your neck upwards in the front and downwards on the sides. So this is the correct way to apply your skincare products. If you use good products and apply them this way, you will most definitely notice a difference very soon. So that's my tip for today. If you liked it, I hope you did. Go to my Facebook page, Love Your Skin Academy with Valeria Westra. There you can like, share and comment, or ask me a question. And I will see you in the next video. Have a good day. Bye-bye.